Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free rod skins in Fish It game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. The new update has been dropped in Fish It game, and in this update guys, you will be able to get free rod skins. And to get it, you need to participate in the classic event. You just need to click on this classic event menu, and you need to complete the daily quest to claim the free rod skin. Okay, this is the free rod skin I have already claimed. This one guys, this Tited Rod, and it's a rare rod skin. And these are the quests. The first one, we need to level up once and sell 300 fish, and then catch 5 cantaloupe puffers. You can catch it from the classic island that has been added to this update, and catch a mythic fish. And yeah, I have already completed all the quests, and I have claimed my studded rod. And this is how the rod skin looks like. And yeah, you just need to complete the daily quest and you will be able to get free rod. The first one is this studded rod, and the second one is the Texlioneer. I don't know how to read that. This one. And the crowned hacker. And yeah, you just need to complete the daily quest to get the free rod skin. Okay guys, and that's how you can get free rod skin in Fish It. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.